everyone, welcome to my channel Khan's English. And today's micro lesson is very simple and most of us are familiar with give or take. So coming to the point, ज़्यादातर हम लोग जानते हैं give means देना, take means लेना. But when it comes to the test or exam, अगर हम बात करें अपने test या exam की तो we have to be more attentive while using these words. For example, if you are a student, अगर आप एक स्टूडेंट हैं, then you are supposed to say I am going to take my exam. Okay, I am going to take my exam. However, if you are an examiner, then you have to say I am going to give an exam. So in conclusion, students say I am going to take my exam and examiners say I am going to give my exam or give exam. It's up to the sentence. So hope you got the lesson. Thank you.